What if every time you moved your thumb, you felt sharp, constant pain? This is how surgeons permanently stop that pain with thumb joint fusion surgery. Our thumbs help us do almost everything: holding a pen, opening a bottle, buttoning a shirt, or simply gripping a cup. But when the thumb joint becomes badly damaged by arthritis or a serious injury, even these simple tasks can become painful. When other treatments like medications, splints, or injections no longer work, doctors may recommend thumb joint fusion surgery, also called thumb arthrodesis. The goal of this surgery is simple: remove the painful joint movement by permanently joining the two bones together. The procedure begins after the patient receives anesthesia, so they won't feel any pain during the operation. The surgeon makes a small incision over the damaged thumb joint to carefully expose the bones. Any muscles, tendons, and nerves are gently moved aside to protect them. Next, the damaged cartilage is removed from the ends of both bones. Cartilage is the smooth, slippery tissue that normally allows joints to move easily, but when it's worn away, the bones rub directly against each other, causing pain. Once all the damaged cartilage has been removed, the surgeon shapes the bone surfaces so they fit together perfectly, almost like two puzzle pieces. Now the thumb is placed in a carefully chosen position. This angle is very important because the thumb will stay in this position permanently after the bones heal together. The surgeon chooses a position that allows the patient to grip, pinch, and perform everyday activities as comfortably as possible. To keep everything stable, the bones are secured using metal screws, small plates, or special surgical wires. These implants hold the bones tightly together so they cannot move while healing takes place. The surgeon then checks the thumb with an X-ray to make sure the bones and implants are perfectly aligned. After everything looks correct, the incision is closed with stitches, and the thumb is placed into a cast or splint to protect it during healing. Over the next several weeks, the two bones slowly grow together into one solid bone. This process is called bone fusion. Because the joint no longer moves, the painful bone-on-bone rubbing is completely eliminated. Although the thumb loses some flexibility, most patients gain something much more valuable: a strong, stable thumb with little or no pain. This allows them to return to everyday activities like writing, cooking, lifting objects, and using their hands with far greater comfort than before surgery. Thumb joint fusion surgery is designed to trade a small amount of movement for long-lasting pain relief, improved strength, and a better quality of life.